If you were, for some reason, surprised at just how cold it was this morning, this would be your warning. We may have another night like that.
I think some teens are possible again tomorrow morning.
Okay.
And in my yard, it was a hard freeze.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Everything
this is the first
frozen up.
really noticeable.
Yeah, that's for sure. We've settled into this pattern, and I don't see it really changing. So don't plan on any big temperature swings, at least over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, another similar day to today. A cold start, mostly sunny skies, and a calm wind. So the afternoon will be pretty nice again tomorrow. Just don't plan on temperatures much better than the low to mid 40s. More clouds on Friday with a few showers, but emphasis on the word few. I think most places in southern and central Maine don't see much out of that. And then the weekend looks good. Sun and clouds both days with highs in the 40s. 6 o'clock numbers already dipping into the 20s here in the valleys of western Maine. Sanford's at 25. Bangor is at 35 right now. Mostly clear sky over Maine and New Hampshire. And we have high pressure building in from the west. And this settles right over us tonight into tomorrow, and that's the key here to calm winds, clear skies, and another cold night. So you'll see that here hour by hour. Through the night, we drop from the 30s into the 20s where we aren't already, and low temperatures tomorrow morning. We took a couple degrees off the computer models because there were a few degrees high last night. So we think we get down to 19 in Lewiston, 18 in Freiburg, 19 in Sanford, and low to mid 20s over a lot of central and eastern Maine. Tomorrow's mostly sunny. However, there could be a few clouds down around the seacoast, maybe getting into parts of York County, so we'll call it partly sunny there. But for the rest of us, it's very similar to today with a light wind and temperatures that get to between 40 and 45, except if you're across the far north. That's where we'll stay in the 30s coming up tomorrow. Now, tomorrow night will not be quite as cold because we'll have some clouds coming in on Friday ahead of a very weak system. It's moisture starved. There's not much with it, but we will have more clouds around on Friday. Temperatures getting into the 40s through most of central and southern Maine. And the best chance for any showers will be midday and afternoon on Friday, mainly across the north. There could be a few wet snowflakes that mix in there. And I can't rule out a shower to the south, but it just doesn't look like there will be much that makes it into central and southern Maine on Friday. Then we set ourselves up for a pretty good weekend. We'll have a clearing sky on Saturday, sunshine Sunday morning, and then clouds roll in Sunday afternoon ahead of the next weak weather system for Monday. Right now, I think we'll just have some snow and rain showers that come through mainly Monday morning. If this were to strengthen a bit, there could be a bit more than that, so we'll keep an eye on it. But right now, we're calling for just some showers, mainly in the morning. A dry day on Tuesday, and then the all-important travel day on Wednesday. We're 7 days out. Just want to give you a heads up. If you look at your weather app or online, you might see a snowflake icon or something that catches your eye. At this point, we don't see it being a big storm. However, a light mix of snow, some rain coming in late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, likely to change to rain as we see it now. And as long as this keeps moving, the majority of it would be the first half of the day on Wednesday, and we turn drier for Thanksgiving. We'll keep an eye on it, but that's just a 7-day heads up that something is out there for Wednesday of next week. Seas around a foot tomorrow with a north wind, a light 5 to 10 knots on the water. Mostly sunny tomorrow, low to mid 40s. More clouds on Friday with a chance for some afternoon showers, mainly to the north. Weekend looks dry, very typical. I'd say more of the same given what we've had the last week and a half. A chance for some snow and rain showers Monday morning. And then it looks like mainly rain for the coast on Wednesday, but inland it could be snow that changes to rain. So we will watch that for you as we get closer.
But across the board, those temperatures pretty standard there.
Yeah, and by the end of that 7 day, that's like 2.5 weeks of these 40s almost
same,
every day.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Ryan, thanks so much.
You're welcome.